Wanna go for a walk? You wanna go for a walk?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Damn, I hate it when it rain. Ever since I came in the game, some hated on the fame. A lot of niggas in chains and started acting strange. Even labels turning their backs and started backing lanes. Radio is the same, whole lot of speculating. These motherfuckers defecating on the name Wu-Tang. If this is where the hip-hop is, radio line then. That ain't where the hip-hop live. They live in the streets, we eat to live, they living to eat. I'm fed up, that nigga writers in them, giving them sleep. R.I.P. Make me the king of all I see. And when death call, I'm good, I got call ID. See, it was planned in the front, now they just gon' front. Like my joints is on proactive and they just don't bump. Come on, the niggas gon' say I lost my skill, when in fact they all been programmed and lost they feel for real.
They've got so much things to say right now. They've got so much things to say. They've got so much things to say right now.
Yeah.
They've got so much things to say.
Damn, another artist chokes again. They ain't cut as close as him or even broke the skin. See how niggas ain't your friends when there ain't no ends. Don't care who the case offend, don't underrate my pen. I got what it takes to win. Why y'all thinking I'm trash? Loving the taste of success and this drink in my glass. Watch them co-sign that whack shit. Give it a pass till it's gone quicker than red. Can't get rid of them crabs. When they wrong, call the cops, the credibility shot. This time they learn what hot really is and really is not. Off-brand niggas, meth gon' let them know off top. Don't get smacked on DVDs trying to show off blocks. I can't stop cause my enemies plot or cause the cops want me shackled and locked inside the penalty box. And while they waiting for my shit to flop, they getting pimped like hoes, selling their ass just to get my spot. Come on, man.
They've got so much things to say right now. They've got so much things to say. They've got so much things to say right now.
Yeah.
They've got so much things to say.
Ask Miss Hill, half these critics ain't got half the skill, or been so hungry that they have to steal. If I didn't have my deal and didn't have this mass appeal, then I'm back up in that trap slinging crack. It's real, and that ain't worth the time. So search and find a new nerve, and here's 3 words that worked in mine. It take a lot more to hurt my pride, jerk my vibe, more than media lies. Cry when Dirt Dog died, nigga. The last album wasn't feeling my style. This time I put up in they ass, bet they feeling me now. Cause the Cal, he put his heart in every track he do. But somehow, y'all found some way to give a whack review. It ain't all good. They writing that I'm Hollywood, trying to tell you my shit ain't ghetto and they hardly hood. Come on, man. Until you dudes can write some rhymes, keep that in mind when you find yourself reciting minds.
They've got so much things to say right now. They've got so much things to say. They've got so much things to say right now. They've got so much things to say. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Remember when my first meal was school lunch? Now I spit a 16 straight with no punch. Remember all for dinner, all we ate was Captain Crunch. Now we blow big notes on our way to brunch. Went from good fella to commissary slips. Now I got back up, man, every time I slept. Never ever quit, I just kept on pursuing. Teacher always asked me, what was I doing? Scribbled in my notebook and never did homework. Low attention spans, guess these Adderall work. Rock Tommy Hill shirts, ones with the boat. Rock poor kicks way before we even used to have baby lungs choking when I nowadays face a whole 7 in a sitting. Remember back then, man, we thought we grown up. Rushing at a kid just to be grown up. Yeah. Rushing at a kid just to be grown up. Yeah. Whoever thought I'd be the greatest growing up. Yeah. Whoever thought the greatest growing up.